So basically, the Wiimote has a normal monochrome camera, which basically just detects black and white pictures. But in front of that, there's an IR pass filter, which basically filters out every single thing except for IR. And the Wiimote doesn't actually store any of this as pixel data, but it stores it as up to 4 moving points and X and Y coordinates.
Yeah. As you could note from the previous presentation, infrared light cannot be seen. However, cameras can see it. I think something like CCD cameras, they can see a wider range of wavelengths of various light and such. So, pretty much what the infrared filter does on the front of the Wiimote, it doesn't actually completely block out all other light besides infrared. It just absorbs most of the light that isn't infrared, so infrared light shows up way more vividly than, let's say, normal visible light. And sorry, we couldn't really find much information on this topic. It was
You've done a really great job.
kind of difficult to do.
That was a perfect explanation of how infrared light really relates to the Wiimote. So that's very cool. So can you elaborate just a tiny bit on those 2 points, or up to 4 points, that it's able to track?
Well, it basically has a little processor inside the camera. So once it sees the image of like various points of IR light on it, it just takes that image and makes it into points on I think it's 128 by something, I don't remember. But it basically maps those points and then sends the raw data to the Wii or whatever Bluetooth device it's sending to.
Great. And you guys noted that if you remove the filter...
Yeah. Also, if you can take off the infrared filter, it would just actually detect, or it would use the 2 brightest points of light.
4, I think, or because...
4, I suppose, yeah. Instead of just the infrared light, it would be able to just track bright light instead.
Great. So if we were in sort of a darker room with a few candles, it would pick those up.
Well, actually, you can still use candles because they emit
Yeah,
infrared
because they
light.
have infrared. Good point. You guys are awesome. Really nice work. Okay, any questions, guys?